How well do you know Trinidad and Tobago? Here's a chance to find out through the Public Transport Service Coperation PTSC's Know Your Country tours. In Tobago, you can take the historical fort tour. Residents and holidayers can visit the island's forts, built centuries ago during European occupation. Book the tour and you'll travel to Fort James, Fort Milford, Fort Bennett, and Fort King George in comfort via one of the PTSC's buses. You learn about these historical sites from a certified tour guide. For many, it's already a memorable experience.
It was a fun experience for me and the students. It was very informative.
It was very fun visiting all forts.
I would encourage the children to come on this tour because they will learn a lot about Tobago.
My experience is that it was very educational. I get to learn a little history of the forts in Tobago.
The Know Your Country tours accommodates 25 patrons and up. Tours are scheduled twice per week. Director of PTSC Tobago, Larry Paul, is encouraging locals to take advantage of this low-cost sightseeing excursion.
I think all of us should be ambassadors in our own rights. You have to know about your island before you can sell it. So we are saying, come discover Tobago, rediscover the island, know the gem that we have that is called Tobago. And we want to start in the schools and also our locals to take advantage of this. Know your island, tell persons about Tobago so we can get visitors to come to your island.
The Secretary of Tourism, Culture and Transportation, Nadine Stewart Phillips, is praising the initiative. She believes the tours will enhance the tourism services and experiences already available for local and international visitors.
This project has the potential to generate an increased appreciation for Tobago's natural wonders and historic treasures. This further complements ongoing public education programs spearheaded by the division, such as our Community Tourism Awareness Program that facilitates the transference of sound tourism-based education, knowledge and skills in communities throughout the island.
The tours can boost the tourism sector, providing revenue for hotels, restaurants and other service providers. It can also stimulate the small business sector in various communities. If you wish to book a tour to explore Tobago, you can call 635-1470 or 623-2341 extension 9622. I'm Omodara Mills for Let's Talk Tobago.